What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We are doing the mini for clear cut case, top three. So we're gonna go down here. We're gonna go live at 325. It's 325 here in Denver. We got our list. Charlie on top, Marty on the bottom. Charlie on top, Marty on the bottom. Guys, we're going 3 times top three. Good luck. 1, 2. Travis on top after 2. 326. 326, third and final time, guys. Let's see here. Top spot wins Buffalo. Second wins the Islanders. Third wins the Sens. Good luck, guys. His streak continues. Frankie with the top two and UC with the Senators. Frankie, I think Charlie and Eric are going to kill you. That's just a hunch. 326. 326. Congrats.